Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to show Apple AirPlay as an option on your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a photo or video that you want to go ahead and AirPlay to a smart TV or to your Apple computer. How do you actually go ahead and show AirPlay as an option? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to go ahead into your photos. Next on this option here, let's say that we want to go ahead and AirPlay this photo right over here. On the bottom left hand corner, you want to click on that share icon. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see AirPlay. So click on AirPlay. Now once you click on AirPlay, you should see all the availability devices that you'll be able to AirPlay this photo to. So as you can see, I have my MacBook Air here, which I can AirPlay this photo to. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and AirPlay a photo or video to another device. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.